Greg Udelhofen with ForConstructionPros.com. I'm at the World of Asphalt. I'm here with Travis Caldwell, and he's the marketing coordinator for Carlson Paving Products. We're here to talk about the new EZR208, and it's the most rigid screed on the market today, just from its construction. Talk a little bit about that, Travis, and what makes it different.
Yeah, so traditionally rear mounts have always had chrome rods that are independent, and this leads to movement of those chrome rods and can lead to deflection issues, especially when you're going wide widths. What we have done is we have re-engineered the rear mount, starting with the original EZR210, but now bring it to the 8-foot class market by bringing those 4-inch chrome rods tightly fitted to a tubular frame, which is eliminating deflection at wide widths and also enabling the platforms to go wider than a lot of other screeds in its class.
Okay, and with the 8-foot screed, I mean, full extension on that is 15 feet 6 inches, but you could go further than that with some add-ons, correct?
Correct, yes. We do offer a number of bolt-on extensions that are heated, and we're able to actually take the EZR208 out to 22 feet, and its larger brother, the 10-footer, can go all the way out to 30 feet.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then some of the other construction of this product, I mean, as far as the depth of the screed and the height of material that it can handle. Talk a little bit about the heavy construction on this.
Yeah, so like all of our highway class screeds, we do build them to a really rigid standard. One of the things that we can see on this machine is that we have some of the deepest plates in its class. So what you're actually enabling is higher class mat quality and more uniform rideability across the entire width of the screed, whether you're at 8 feet or all the way out to 22. Another feature that you can see is that you have a lot of rigidity in all of the extension support system and in the body of the main. So you're getting larger components for making sure you're holding your adjustments longer and having a more level screed.
And then I know as well that some of the operator features as far as comfort, I mean, there's some extra cushion on the work areas of the screed.
Yeah, and one of the things that we always take into account is we want to make sure that the platform is comfortable for a long day's work. So we do have anti-fatigue pads at each of the operator stations, but we also have cup holders, tool trays, and the Carlson oven on most of these models for food prep, making the life easier for the operator, especially on those long days.
So the 8-foot screed is available today. It's out in the marketplace.
Correct, and the 8-foot as well as the 10-foot is actually available for all of the major North American tractor models offered today by all the major manufacturers.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you.